Hey guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and wow, Honor still continues to bring new competitive devices to the market, and this time around they're bringing in new mid-range / budget smartphones, and today we're going to take a look at it. So put on your seatbelts guys, cause today we're bringing you the Honor 8X. Right off the bat, one of the first things I noticed about the phone's design is that it's quite similar with the Huawei P20 and the Nova 3i. It has a big 6.5-inch, 19.5x9 full view display with thin side bezels and a relatively small notch that houses quite a lot. We have the earpiece, sensors, and the 16-megapixel front camera up here. So the screen itself is a 1080p panel, which isn't too bad for a screen this size. It's still pretty sharp. And since it's an IPS screen, colors and viewing angles are pretty decent. Let's go over the rest of the phone. So at the back, we have something new here compared to the Honor 7X. The dual cameras are now in a vertical position, which is very popular in 2018. And we also get a glass finish back, but not just that. We also notice that here on the left side, there is a dual tone color sort of design that reminds me of the Huawei Mate 10 series. It's a really simple thing, but I think it just elevates the overall aesthetic, making the phone look more sophisticated. The one thing I didn't really like about the back is the placement of the fingerprint scanner. I think it's about half an inch too high, and is slightly harder to reach with my small hands. Looking around the rest of the phone, we have a triple card tray set up on the left side. It can accommodate not just 2 nano SIM cards, but also a micro SD card. Here at YugaTech, we always love it when phones have a dedicated slot for expandable storage. On the right, we have a power and volume buttons. I really like the way they feel. They aren't too high or too low, and they're clicky but quiet. And finally at the bottom are the audio jack, speaker, microphone, and the micro USB port. Well, so let's take a look at the back of the phone again, because now let's talk about the cameras. So we have a 20-megapixel main sensor with a 2-megapixel depth sensing sensor at the back. Then at the front, it's a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. Compared to the Honor 7X, the resolution of the cameras have been bumped up, but I think most of the improvements on the photography side of things will come from software. Honor is marketing this phone as having AI cameras, and it's pretty evident once you open the camera app. See? Here, AI button. Alright, so finally, let's check out the internals. Powering this phone is a Kirin 710 octa-core chipset, which is the same one found in Huawei Nova 3i. Then we have 4GB of RAM, and either 64 or 128GB of storage, and a pretty above average 3750 mAh battery. And on the software side of things, it's running EMUI 8.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo, which I'm sure we will be taking a closer look at in our full review. So the Honor 8X is launching in the Philippines soon. As for the price, we don't know yet, but we'll let you know as soon as we have it. Anyway, for the meantime, why don't you just guess the price for now? Let us know in the comment section below how much you think the Honor 8X will cost in the Philippines. Okay, so that wraps up our hands-on and first impressions of the Honor 8X. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Once again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!